Here's the Brain Finance. In this particular video, I will show you the new Gree website that many Ghanaians are talking about. I will explain how it works, how people are earning, and I will also show a live withdrawal proof. Watch till the end and make sure you invest carefully and do your own research before joining. So no need to waste time. So check the link in the description section or the comment section of this video, right? Once you click on the link, it will bring you to the registration page here. So once it brings you here, what you need to do is to tap on create an account. So here you enter your phone number, enter your password, repeat password and invitation code, right? So after that, then you tap on create an account. So after that, it will bring you here. So here you enter your phone number you used, enter your password, then tap on login. So after that, it will bring you to here, right? So after you land on the dashboard, here is a notify message, right? You can see notify. That show you how the platform works, the registration. After registration, you get 15 CDs, the referral commission and other those things. You can join their Telegram channel for any latest updates, right? You can also tap on OK to come to the dashboard. So once you land on the dashboard, what you need to do first is to make a payment, right? What you need to do is to recharge your account. To recharge your account, what you need to do is to tap on the, you can see payment here, right? To tap on payment. So once you tap on payment, right, you can see deposit amount is 40 cedis, right? From 40 cedis going, right? This is an investment platform, right? So you can see start from 40, 10, 300, 800 to 2000, right? So after that, so here you enter your the amount you want to deposit. Maybe you want to deposit 300 or 800. So let's assume we want to invest 300. Tap on 300, then we tap on deposit, right? Once you tap on deposit, so once you tap on deposit, you can see this is your deposit countdown, right? So here you can see please fill in the correct payment e-wallet number to confirm. So here you choose the operator you are using, which is the network you are using. Maybe you are using AT Money, right? MTN, Teleso. Then you choose me. Let me choose MTN. So yes, MTN. Enter the MTN number you are using. So after enter your number, then you tap on confirm, then submit. So you can see please pay to Telecel cash amount, right? So what you need to do is to copy this Telecel number, then go to your dialer, then and make a deposit, right, to this number, right? So once you make the deposit, this is the name will come, Enchua Adwa, right? So that is the name it will come, right? So then you choose the amount as you choose as a deposit amount, which is, if it's 300 GT, then you enter 300 GT what you want to use to buy the product, right? So here you can see optional transaction ID, right? So after that, you copy transaction ID in the message, you copy it and paste it here. After that, you tap on get results. After you recharge your account, your money will appear the account balance section here, right? So after that, then you come to the product section here. Once you tap on product, there are the product and its information, right? You can see the VIP one. The price of this product is 40 cedis and the validity period is 100 days and daily income is 6 cedis. Total income is 600 cedis, right? So after the purchase, the profit will be automatically credited to your account within 24 hours, right? So this product is a product, once you buy it and it gives you daily income, right? That's how it is, as I explained, the validity period, daily income and total. So here you check the amount that you can buy or the amount that you deposit to your account, right? Then you should, let assume we deposit 300 cedis, right? So we will buy this amount, right? So what you need to do is to tap on buy. Once you tap on buy, you can see the recipient will be automatically settled 24 hours after the purchase, right? So this is the amount. You can see we have cancel and confirm, right? So the total income of this tenancy will get 7,000, right? And it is 100 days period, right? So but please know what you can afford to. This is not financial advice, right? So after that, then you click on confirm. So after you click on it, you can see your product you have bought will become here, right? So you tap on total product, right? You can see this is your product, right? So this is the product I have bought it, right? So you can see these are the information, right? So my daily income is 20 cedis, right? So that's how it is. So after you have bought it, every day you come to that product section here, and you see your daily income, right? You see your daily income, right? And the product revenue I have received is 40 USDT, right? Because this is 2 days, right? This project launched on the 12th, right, of this month. So 2 days times which is 20 to 20 40 cedis, right? The next thing is, after you have bought the product, maybe you have get the minimum withdrawal, maybe you want to withdraw. So what you need to do, come to the mine section here. Once you come to the mine section, you can see we have online deposit, we have withdraw money and account records, right? So let's say you have get your minimum withdrawal. So let's say you want to withdraw. So let me tap on withdraw. Once you tap on withdraw, so you can see here they said select your withdrawal bank, right? So before you withdraw, you need to bind your account before you can select it. So you come to the mine section here, and it brings you come to bind account management, right? So once you tap on, you can see they said add, right? So here let me add. Tap on add. Here you select the bank type, which is MTN, or any year you're using the operator you're using. I'm using to tap on MTN, and the name on your MTN, right? The name you use to register your account and your phone number. After that, tap on bind. So after you tap on bind, then you come to the withdrawal section. So after that, you come to the withdrawal section, tap on select the withdrawal bank, my bank. After you select your bank, then you enter the amount you want to withdraw. So my total balance is 108 cedis, right? So let me tap 108. I'll receive 88 cedis because there's tax, right? That will be deducted. So I'll receive 88 cedis, right? So you can see the minimum withdrawal amount is 15 cedis, right? Maximum withdrawal amount is unlimited. So there's no amount that cannot be withdrawn because it's unlimited, and the withdrawal service is available 2/4, so you can withdraw anytime, right? So after that, what you need to do is to tap on withdraw money. Tap on withdraw money. You can see submitted successful, right? So let's wait to let the money arrive. So guys, you can see in just few minutes the money have been arrived, right? We have received the payment, right? So you can see payment received for 88 Ghana cedis, right? So this is the 88 Ghana cedi we withdrawn right now. So the money has been arrived, right? So guys, if you want to boost your earnings aside your daily income, you come to the team section here. You can see the first team, you can see commission rate is 35%, right? So you can see it's which is the valid users I have in here, and the income you get. So we have gold, we have platinum, and we have diamond, right? So your first referral, you get 35 commission, right? With, and your second referral also you have 3%, and your last referrals also will be 1% commission. So you copy this link. You can see successful copy, right? Then you share to your friends. Once your friend register and make their first deposit, you get a commission as a first referral who will make a payment. So guys, that's how this platform actually works, and this is how we earn from it and get daily income, right? So guys, this video was helpful. Consider like this video, subscribe, and turn on notification bell so that whenever I put new video about ways to make money online, you'll be the first person you see, right? So guys, if you want ways to make money online, just check the link in the description section of this video and join our Telegram channel where we share ways to make money online like this, and join our WhatsApp group and all our social medias, right? So that you will not miss any update about ways to make money like this. The earlier you join, the higher chance of earning more, and I will see you in the next one.